Hello, mga curious
Hello.
moms and teenagers. I am Mama
And
Meme.
I'm Eli.
And we are the Curious
Curious Two.
2. Bump it.
Ganding.
Alright, today we are talking about
Acting.
and being an actor and acting as a job. But of course, before anything, I'm sure gusto mo na sumingit.
Oo.
Introduce ka na namin. Today we are talking about acting, no? Of course, being an actor from childhood, and now we have our very own Tito Mel Martinez as a guest today.
Hello! Hello mga curiosities.
Ayoko
Oh
nun.
my
Alam ko,
God.
alam mo. And hello mga curious moms and teenagers. Ayan, thank you for having me.
Yes, of course, Tito Mel. Thank you for taking the time to, guest.
Of
Kasi
course.
mahal mo kami.
I know. And namiss ko tong apo ko.
Oo. But before
Miss ko.
anything else, Apo, ni Tito Mel.
Alright, so everybody, please, if you enjoy our content, subscribe and, hit the notification button, sorry. Tapos, if you enjoy this video and want to see more, please hit that like button. And if you want to spread the love, share to everybody, your family and friends. And yeah, let's get started.
Oo.
And of course, before anything else, shout out to our Spoiled Brats family.
Yeah!
And Kahon Music family.
Yes.
Dahil legit na podcasters kami sa aming setup. Paganda na paganda, 3-cam setup na. Ano ba, guys? Asan na yung beanbag? Yes.
Parang nagtitaping na tayo talaga, 3-cam
Yes,
setup.
I know.
Oh.
Maswerte pa nga tayo kasi sa ibang set. Shout out and then you guys can follow them on Facebook, Instagram, Spoiled Brats and Kahon
Kahon
Music
Music
with a J. Yeah.
Gusto ko yun.
Gusto mo yan? Oo,
Kahon
kasi
Music with a
usually
J.
hanapin mo kahon as in kahon with an
Oo,
H.
oo.
So, para mapadali na yung mga buhay ninyo.
No,
kahon.
with a J, para kagad, bullseye. Yan. Diba?
Okay, Tito Mel, hello. How are
Yes,
you?
I'm good. How about you guys?
I'm good. We're good.
Yes, I'm great.
Pag
And you guys?
Wala kayo sa lolo namin. So,
Ano na?
today you're going to share with us your story as an actor. Ano yung history mo?
Yung paano ko nag-start?
Paano ka
ganyan.
Kasi syempre, ang ating Elijah, mag-aartista na.
Why not?
Alam mo na
Diba?
yan eh. Gusto ko
Oo.
yung gulat na gulat kayo.
Oo. Kunyari parang
Kunyari hindi mo alam.
Diba? Why not? It's in our blood.
Yes.
It's in our blood. Nagkanta ba ganun?
Wala.
Okay, wala. Kala ko meron
Oh my days.
Hindi. So, yung ko lang, history ko.
Yeah, so para malaman din ni Eli kung paano ka nag-start and kung paano tayo nandito tayo
Yeah.
as a family because, hello, family of actors nga and Tito Mel is our family.
Our family is the
Is the
most important person in our lives. Okay. So, hindi. Kasi I started when I was 8 years old. Okay? So, nung bata pa ako, nag-extra na ako sa mga pelikula noon. Nila Ian De Leon, mga ganyan. Sa I Love You Mama, I Love You Papa. Siyempre, hindi nyo na alam yun. Anyway, tapos noon, dahil ang uno ko talagang gustong gawin talaga is magsayaw. Gusto ko talaga maging dancer.
Parehas kami.
Yun talaga ang dream ko is really to be a great dancer.
And you can follow him on TikTok
Yeah,
kasi he's
kita
a
naman.
great
May message ka pa lang
dancer.
yun eh.
Okay.
Kita mo sa TikTok.
Going back.
Tapos nun, at the same time, I'm also a fan of this group called Menudo. Okay, yung ang luma, di ba? Ang luma. Sensei, naalala mo pa? Abot pa? Abot. So, yung mga Menudo, kung di nyo alam, ando dun si Ricky Martin. I'm sure kilala nyo na si Ricky Martin. So, yung nag-form kami ng group, si Kuya Mike, ako, si Kuya Manny, sumali kami ng Menudo contest. 8 years old ako nito. Tapos, may dalawa pa kaming kaibigan, si Bobby tsaka si Mon, sa school namin. Nag-form kami ng group. Ang pangalan ng group namin, Stars and Stripes. Okay, ang nagpangalan nun, si Mama Beck.
Grabe, lalaki.
Stars and Stripes. Diba? Oo, diba? Lalaki yung
Pangalan ng
pangalan.
group nyo,
So anyway, sumali kami sa student canteen. Ang luma na naman.
Hindi na nila alam yun.
Hindi nila alam yung student canteen. So, syempre, nanalo kami, in short, nanalo kami sa grand finals. Okay, kami ang nanalang Grand Finals. And then, there's this guy from J. Walter Thompson. He approached me. Sabi niya sa akin, kung gusto ko daw mag-audition for this Pepsi commercial with the Menudo. So, syempre, why not? 'Di ba? So, nag-audition ako. Pagpunta ko doon sa J. Walter Thompson Agency, there were like 300 kids. Napakadami. So, pumila ako doon. So, edi nag-VTR na. Siguro, bina-VTR ako gabi na. So, I was there mga 9 in the morning, tapos mga 8 o'clock na ako ng gabi na VTR. So, syempre, VTR, turn to the right, turn to the left, ganyan, and smile, ganyan.
Yeah.
So, yung 300, nag-cut ng naging 100. Okay?
Wow.
So, pasok ang lolo nyo sa top 100. Okay? Yes!
Palakpakan natin.
Tapos the following day, bumalik kami. 100 na lang kami. After nun, nag-cut down sa 50. Okay? So, pasok na naman ang lolo nyo sa top 50. Okay? Tapos yung ika-third day, yung 50 nag-narrow down to 10.
Tapos ikaw na sa 10.
Pasok ako sa top 10. Okay? Kasi ang Menudo, 5 sila niyan. 5. Okay? Itong boy band na to, 5. Bago pa maging sikat ang mga Backstreet Boys.
Yeah.
So
Menudo
andyan dyan ang
talaga.
Menudo talaga. Okay? So 5 sila. So yung top 10, nag-deliberate, naging top 5. Pasok na naman yung... Pasok na naman ako sa top 5. And then, dun sa top 5, nag-deliberate again kung sino yung magiging lead, kung sino yung magiging Ricky Martin of the Philippines. At nanalo ang lolo niya.
Yes, malakpakan nyo.
So, yun yung trivia ko.
Oh
Yun
my
yung, so, nung 1980s, ako yung naging Ricky Martin of the
Yeah.
Philippines.
At saka part siya ng Pepsi commercial.
And then, we did the commercial together. And then, nung pinalabas yung commercial, dun ako nakita ni Pecky Galiaga. That's how my career started. Kay the late Pecky Galiaga. So, ayun na. Gumawa na ako ng mga pelikula. Kidukang Susuko.
Nanalo siya doon as best child actor. Sa Gawad Urian, guys.
Pamas.
Hindi ba? Mali pala. Ganun kataas yung ano ko.
Hindi, Pamas.
Famas. Nanalo siya doon, guys.
Oo, sa Famas. At saka
Mali
sa
ako.
Star Awards, yan.
Yan.
Saka sa mga ibang giving bodies, ganyan. Tapos nun, so doon nag-start. So naging child star ako. Okay? Tapos doon sa child star, iilan lang kaming child star noong araw. Ako, si Judy Ann Santos, iilan lang kami nun. To the point na, yung mga magulang namin, nagtatawagan, kunyari, uy, si mami ko tatawagin yung nanay ni Judy Ann. May exam kasi si Mel ngayon, hindi pwede dun sa taping. Baka pwedeng saluhin na lang ni Judy Ann. O sige, saluhan. Kasi konti lang yung mga child stars noon.
Yes,
Okay.
alam ko yan.
Tapos noon, edi, naging teenager na ako. Nag-audition naman ako ulit sa That's Entertainment.
Yes, Tuesday Group!
Tuesday Group. Alam niyo pa ba yung That's Entertainment kay Kuya Germs?
Ito, di na.
Oo, kay Kuya Germs.
Walang
Walang
tawa.
matutulog. Sabi, walang tulugan.
Ayun, alam mo,
Oo.
yun si Kuya Germs.
Pero kasi may nagsabing artista, walang
matutulog.
matutulog.
Sino yan?
Diba? Ewan ko nga kung sino yun.
Uy, blip na lang natin.
Pwede ba?
Oo.
Pwede mo i-blip.
Oo. Mas masaya
Sabi
yun.
ko, walang matutulog, di ba? O, di ba? Parang may naka-ano lang, di ba? O,
Talaga.
Anyway, so nakapasok ako That's Entertainment. Okay, Tuesday Group ako noon. Tapos, biglang nagkaroon ng announcement sa That's Entertainment na kumukuha ang Viva Star ng bagong Viva Teen Stars.
Oo.
Kasi parang kakatapos lang nung di ba, nagbagets ang Viva, tapos nag-Ninja Kids. Tapos ang Ninja Kids, kailangan nila ng mga bagong Viva Teen Stars for Estudiante Blues. So, nag-audition
Kaya.
ulit ako. Nag-audition ako. Nakapasok ako. So, naging Viva Teen Star ako. Tapos noon, ayun na, dire-diretso na. After noon, I have to take a break kasi syempre nag-college ako. Nag-break muna ako ng college. I have to finish college. Mamaya, pag-usapan lang natin din yun. Tapos noon, after noon, ayan, tinawagan ulit ako ng Viva. Tapos, ayun na, ginawa ko niya Wala Na Bang Pag-ibig. Tapos kung ano-ano na, from one show to another. Tapos, at present ngayon, what I'm doing right now is I'm with Channel 7. I'm doing Mommy Dearest. Ginagawa namin yun. Papalabas sa June or July. So, yun, that's how I started. So,
Yay!
So kung na ano nyo, kung I'm sure napakinggan nyo, hindi ko ginamit si Maricel Soriano.
Kasi
Walang Maricel Soriano kung
usually yun ang
ginamit.
connotation sa amin na
Yes.
porque tita ko, kapatid niya, I mean, it was easy to join show business because of her, which is
Yes.
actually not true.
Yes, kasi kumbaga parang nakapag-establish tayo kahit papano on our own. And at the same time,
Ano kahit paano? Nang
I'm being
grabe-grabehan.
humble na, I'm being humble lang naman. And at the same time, si Ate Maria growing up, narinig ko, sinabi niya rin naman sa akin na maganda syempre kung ikaw mas makikilala ka on your own, not on dahil kapatid kita. So tumatak sa akin 'yun. So for the longest time nasa channel 7 ako because I don't want to be na shadow niya.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yan, alam na alam namin ni Tito Mel yan. Kaya importante sa akin tong episode na to kasi, of course, ayaw ko na maging shadow si Elijah sa amin dalawa ng papa niya.
True.
Diba? And ng kanyang Daddy BJ. Hindi ko talaga sinabi si BJ. Ng Daddy BJ niya. Diba? Kasi buong ako, Joem, BJ, tapos meron kang Tito Mel, meron kang
Tita Maria.
mga lolo't lola mo. Tapos meron kang lolo na Willie Revillame.
Yeah.
It's going to haunt you. Because it's going to haunt you because up to now, we are still, ang galing-galing mo talaga. Parang kang si Maricel.
Totoo.
Up to now.
Meron pa rin.
Hindi siya mawawala, Elijah, kasi magagaling kaming lahat. So, galingan mo. Joke lang, kinakot.
Pinressure.
Para ka naman yun talaga.
Oo. And alam niyo, sinabi naman niya sa akin na plano talaga niya yun. So,
Last diba?
oo. And na-appreciate ko rin si Eli kasi like, pag-usapan namin sa episode namin the last time, yung about the future kasi. So, we talked about kung ano yung gusto niyang gawin.
Okay.
So, ang maganda dito is, talagang gusto niya maging artista. You know naman, 7 years old pa lang, di ba, sinabi na niya.
Yeah,
At yun yung hindi ako pumayag. And of course, nung 10 years old ka, initial reaction talaga ng magulang yun because we know how hard it is.
Yes.
Ano yun, hindi yun parang ayaw lang kita kasi madamot ako. Hindi. It's really to protect you. But, yun nga. So, syempre, 10 years old ka, pumayag ako. Kasi sino ba naman ako to hinder him from doing something that he will be great at, diba? Dahil kung masaya siya, he will definitely excel.
Definitely.
So, yun. So, good conversation, between you and Eli also kasi maglolo kayo. And, at least different insight also from me, from Joem. Kasi, syempre, nakikita niya kung paano kami mag-prepare sa work, ano kaming klaseng mga actors, yung prepared, hindi nalilate, these are the things that, But, of course, coming from another point of view na family din, and the pressure also from having, that royal showbiz lineage.
Correct.
Yes.
So, what do you want to ask, anak?
Or we're gonna
question na ba? Or kung
Hindi
gusto
pa.
mo...
anything you want to discuss muna?
Siguro, I just want to say kay Elijah na, being an actor, I think it's one of the toughest jobs in the world. Okay?
Yeah,
so,
I see it naman from my mom, from Papa Joem. Kasi, I don't know, whenever I see them come home from work, which is rare now kasi nga, kasi dati nasasabayan ko pa si mom would work eh. Like, di ba, yung pag-uwi mo, tapos I have school, nagising ako, pauwi ka pa lang, pagod ka. And then now I see it in Papa Joe, and minsan nasasabay ko siya when I get home, when he gets home, kasi I'm always up late. So like, nakikita ko na, pagod din kayo, tapos, mas grabe yung effort nyo for the the control ng nyo, ng parang,
kaya mo
oh
yan.
my God, what is it? Hindi.
Again.
More of like, grabe yung control nyo ng to keep it like, talagang straight for the work. Kasi, of course, pag nahirapan ng anybody, if they get hard, when things get hard, they're gonna have reactions and stuff. So, from what I've seen from you guys sa house, alam mo yung, nakikita ko yung emotions nyo behind the scenes of the behind the scenes. Yung, alam mo yung, sa tayong tatlo lang, nakikita ko yung, okay, well, pagod na siya, tapos, we still have to work. So, nakikita ko yung, talagang, you don't have to, di lang yung acting sa part mo na role. Alam mo yung, sometimes you have to keep it up outside of that. Kasi, and I see that. That's what I mean. That's when I see what you mean by it's hard. Hindi lang yung mga, like, the behind the scenes part na, mahirap yung production or whatever. Na mahirap talaga yung
Pati sa bahay.
and the toll it takes on you mentally din.
Yeah,
Oo.
lalo na pag hindi ka masaya sa
role.
set, di
Or,
ba?
yeah.
Kasi hindi mo naman maiwasan yun.
Hindi mo maiwasan yun.
And, syempre, naririnig din, nag-rant kami.
Oo.
Because it's a safe space. Dahil, syempre, hindi kami pwede mag-rant sa iba. Dahil, chika!
Oo.
Chikahan with Mary Soriano. My goodness.
Hindi.
Diba?
Pero kasi, alam mo, mahirap kung sa mahirap siya. Pero syempre, it all boils down also to passion.
Yes.
Okay? So, if you really love what you're doing, like, kasi ako, anak, growing up, kanina kinwento ko, iilan lang kaming child stars noon. So, ako, habang nagtatrabaho ko, nag-aaral pa ako. Okay, and puyat ako. Ngayon merong mga cut-off ang mga artista.
May
Nung
dole.
kapanahon natin, walang cut-off.
Oo.
So, I go to work at 7 a.m. I finished at 5 in the morning and I just go home. Maliligo lang ako, papasok na ako sa school. Pagdating ng recess at lunch, doon ako matutulog. Tapos uuwi ako, ayan na, magte-taping na naman ako the following day.
Totoo.
So, but, kasi ginusto ko eh.
Yeah.
At saka nagustuhan ko yung world nung paano ko umarte, at saka I am blessed kasi halos lahat ng Queen of Philippine Cinema and Kings nakatrabaho ko at a very young age.
Totoo.
Ang dami-dami ko natututunan at a very young age.
Iba na yung time noon tsaka
Yes.
ngayon.
Kaya nung bata pa ako, syempre nag-worry ang mommy and daddy about school. Pero ang ginawa ko, nakipag-deal ako. Sabi ko, makikipag-deal ako sa iyo, mami, daddy. Sasabi ni daddy, tsaka ni mami, basta tapusin mo yung school, pwede ka mag-artista.
Same with mo.
Tapusin ko. So, yeah, that's what I did. Kahit na nagtatrabaho ako, kahit na nung high school, ganito, pagod ako nun parate. Kaya nga, thank you Lord, may height ako eh.
Oo.
Kasi karamihan sa child star, alam mo, pag ganitong edad na, wala silang height. Kasi nga, parating puyat. Diba? Kaya
So,
grateful ako.
Ka doon,
Oo, puyat. Kaya grateful ako at may height ako. Kalain mo 5'7.5" ako.
Oh, yeah.
May height. Diba?
Height na height yung ano
so
mo.
going back, it all boils down to passion, anak.
Yeah.
So, kung ikaw, if you have it, like we have it, na
Gift
it runs
kasi
in
siya
our,
eh.
it is.
Mm-mm.
It is. So, and then, go for it.
Okay.
Diba? Kasi, at saka at the same time, ngayon, hindi tayo ang mag-a-adjust. Tayo ang mag-a-adjust sa trabaho, hindi ang trabaho ang mag-a-adjust sa atin.
So something I observed from them, eh.
Yeah, kaya kailangan mahalin mo yung trabaho mo. Kasi kapag minahal mo yung trabaho mo, kung artista ka na, mamahalin ka din ng trabaho mo.
Yeah.
Get it? So, yun. Yun ang ano ko naman. Yan naman ang mga insights na pwede kong ituro sa'yo.
Oh, and also, kaya rin gusto kitang matapos mo yung pag-aaral mo kasi nga, pwede ka nang, after high school siya eh. Medyo mabait pa nga ako dahil sa'yo, college, diba?
College.
Ako high school na lang daw, sabi ni mama.
Yeah, kasi tama din naman yung experience yung prime niya kasi hindi ko siya pinayagan at our age. So at least, ngayon, kasi pwede naman siya mag-college anytime. Iba na yung mundo ngayon eh. 28 ako nag-college. So, pwede siya mag-college anytime.
Okay.
Tsaka, tipid din tayo doon kasi tipid tayo, baka hindi niya gusto yung course. Tapos, gusto ko na pala ng ganito. Palitan na pala ako ng ganito. At least, pag nag-college siya, gusto niya na. Kasi he's experienced life na. And, tsaka time na rin.
Ano bang course ang plano mo kung saan sakali? Wala pa. Hindi pa
diba?
I don't wanna think about it.
Okay. Basta
I don't like thinking about it. Kasi hindi naman sa don't like. More like when I think about it, it's like, ito na rin gusto ko. I don't know it. Kasi parang, alam mo yung, I don't think it's, my time to explore it now. Like, I wanna explore things that I enjoy. So, like, mga games din explore ko yun. I love the games kahit sira PC ko. Like, I still find a way to enjoy time din.
Ito si Mastermind.
Or like,
ang hirap kasi pag sira PC mo eh.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Tapos yung love
my
games.
days. Pero of course, also, like, yun, recently, nagkaroon din ako ng passion for, fitness. And, I'm sure that's gonna help me out if I wanna be an actor then. Kasi,
Okay,
I
anak.
guess, but anyway.
Let me cut you lang, no? Ito lang naman yung, in my opinion. Okay, sa akin lang naman. Okay, kung ano yung banat nyo, okay lang. No, kung ano yung magiging banat nyo sa buhay. Ang luma no? Kung ano yung magiging banat nyo sa buhay, kung mag-aano ka muna, titigil ka muna, and you're gonna start, tapos you're saying na, tingnan natin sa prime niya, di ba? Okay, kung yun ang banat niya, why not? Di ba? Kaya lang, just don't, ang akin lang, try to finish. Not at this time, di ko naman sinasabi ngayon di ba? So, try to finish kasi,
Iba
ang
pa rin
showbiz, it's not stable. Okay? It's a fact. Okay? Hindi siya yung talagang sabihin mong, eto na talaga. No. By season siya minsan, kadalasan. Okay? So, it's really, really important for you to have a very, very good alternative or a very, very good fallback para at least whenever na hindi ka... Kasi anak, alam mo kapag artista ka tapos wala kang ginagawa, ang dali mo makurung-kurung.
Ito, tingnan mo
Okay? Kasi ang pag-artista, it's not ang mental health ng bawat artista kailangan talagang
Strong.
very, very strong. Okay? Kasi kapag wala kang ginagawa, nakukurung-kurung ako.
Mm-mm.
So, kung wala kang alternative, kung nakagraduate ka, at least you have this, kaya mo, hindi ka takot. That's what I'm trying to say. Hindi ka magiging takot kasi ang dami mong alam gawin.
Yeah.
And also,
yun
I
lang
guess,
naman yung gusto kong i-share.
and also, I guess, tama rin yun na, kasi yung panahon ngayon, ang dami mo nang, hindi na kayo kasya sa isang plato. 'Di ba? Kasi kung magsa-stand out ka, you have to have something bigger than what is in front of us because everybody has social media, everybody. Lahat ng tao pwede na maging artista, lahat pwede maging sikat.
Saturated.
Yes.
Yeah.
So kung dapat meron ka talagang magic and you work hard, hindi pwede yung dahil may magic ka. Wala na, everybody's is killing for your place. 'Di ba? So kailangan kung sakali mang maano ka, meron ka pa rin ibang fallback. At education pa din is power.
Yeah. Tama ka dyan, Ernie.
Diba? Education is power.
Ernie Baron, kilala niyo?
Oo.
Naabot na naman, di ba? May pyramid ba tayo dito? Charot.
Ernie Baron Geisler, last na yun.
Last na yun.
Okay.
Last na yun. Okay. Sige.
So may ikaw pa, meron ka pang mga gustong i-share dyan bago tayo mag-questions sa amin dalawa?
More of, okay, yeah. Well, I mean, yes, yung have a plan B. I've thought about it na din before, of course. I'm not, yung takot ko lang naman with the plan B was like, yun nga, based on college. Kasi nga, I don't know what I want yet. And,
okay.
Alam mo, I realized na, yun nga, sabi nga ni mom na I can take it at any age naman. Kasi, from her own experience, she took it at 28, like she said. Ako, I have other options than like I said, going back to the fitness part. I mean, yeah, sure, that helps a lot in the acting. But just in case it's like a plan B, if I wanna pursue, let's say,
sports science.
Yes. Then that's an option also I've thought of. Kasi, I mean, I really, really love exercising. Like, especially basketball. Di ba nga, injured ako. Then, I found out na I really love basketball when I got injured. Tapos, talagang ako not depressed, but more of like talaga ako wala talaga akong magagawa other than think of basketball. Like,
basketball.
Like, alala ko nasa,
ay mag-basketball.
Alala mo, mami, na-injured ako, diba nandun ako sa bed. Legit, wala akong ginawa. Hindi ko na ginamit phone, nakaganon ako palagi. Inahan ko lang yung forearm ko. So, parang, I remember, when I first found that out, sabi ko like, yeah, baka sports science is a good, alternative din. Tapos there's also my love for cooking. Diba?
Pwede siyang culinary.
Yeah, naisip ko rin yung culinary eh.
Mana ka kay Lolo.
Mana ka kay Lolo. Fitness, cooking, acting.
Mm-mm. So yun, I mean, yes, I have options. I just, I want to see where this goes first. Tapos, if I feel like it, then, if I feel like this if I feel like may chance ako mag-open up sa plan B and I'm taking it. So, sakto na timing na you cut me off there kasi I was gonna mention that anyway. Pero yeah, yun lang. That's pretty much it. Kasi, I mean, as we all know, I think, my content's a TikTok, mainly just me showing my body off anyway. Tapos, most of the things I talk about here sa podcast then always come back to me being, sporty and stuff. And yeah, I think that just also, like, that is a second opening for me to pursue that side of me. Kasi matagal ko na gusto maging, I guess sporty, yeah, or sporty or athletic. Pero, when I was younger, addicted ako sa iPad eh. Yes, ma.
Kasalanan ko?
No.
Okay.
Ako yun. Hindi kasi ako lumabas eh.
Baby, alam mo ka, baby pa rin ang tawag ko sa kanila eh. Kasi alam mo, parang sa akin kasi, pa rin.
Grabe yun yung Tito Mel eh. Relasyon namin.
Tapos, ngayon, tinitingnan ko si Apo ko. Naalala mo ba yung nagsiswimming tayo?
Oh, yeah.
Bakit?
Kasi magaling din siya mag-swimming. Kaya sa sports, remember sa Philinvest, nagsiswimming tayo, di ba?
Kasi, yun si Michael Phelps eh.
Yeah,
Dito na naman ako. Kasi yung coach namin sa swimming, sayang na sayang din siya kay Eli because yung reach niya sa water, para siya si Michael Phelps.
Oo, ang ganda kasi nung din yung shoulder blades niya.
Parehas kayo ng katawan, pa-V. But it's hindi naman kawalan
Sports science, why not? Gusto ko yan.
Pero may third option din ako.
Ano?
Maganda yung maraming option.
Ano?
Swimming.
Yeah.
Of course, this is the one na I don't really like mentioning around my family na kasi, alam mo yung, may fear ako at first na, yun yung sign ni mom eh.
Hindi, go! Hindi, humingi lang ako. Naubusan ako hingay.
Okay, ito na yung fear ko na baka di mo consider as a real job or whatever. Pero,
ano yan?
yung streaming, yung
ano
mga...
yun?
Gaming.
Yeah, yung mga...
Nagsistream ng game.
Yung tandaan, ano yun?
yung mga live stream, yung mga...
Live stream, mga games.
So basically, I just show... I make a community tapos I show it to them. And, hindi, kasi you earn a lot of money from that too. So, and alam mo, I feel like that was my... Mukha ni mom. Anyway.
Ha? Bakit? Wala akong ginagawa!
Alam mo, mukha mo yung... yeah, sure. Anyway. Yun nga, yun din yung first... I guess yun yung first love ko din. Kasi diba, ever since I was younger, mag-games ako. Ang dami ko pinapanood na YouTuber. So yun, that's what I grew up with eh. That area. So alam mo yung, okay, well, I enjoy this, I enjoy that. And alam mo yung, I've tried it before, and I see my potential in it. Hindi ko na nagawa kasi, hindi ko pa na grasp yung discipline ko nun. Kasi well, alam mo yung, I was still, 13 nun? Kakakuha ko lang ng PC ko nun. So, alam mo yun, I just wanna enjoy it first. Pero, now that I've grown some sense of discipline, I feel like if I get my PC fixed, then maybe I could also start it din younger. Pero, yun nga, again, third option yun. So, at least I have many options now. And I'm still thinking of more kasi I found out that I like writing stuff din too eh.
Kasi agad na pinag-journal.
Yeah, pero diba, alam mo yung, yeah, that's true. Tsaka, alam mo yung, when you used to tell me to read, na-enjoy ko din yun dati. Pero like, alam mo yung, sorry naman, pero like, kasi at that time din, ayoko yung, I didn't like being told what to do.
Sino ba may gusto?
No, alam mo yung, because some people, hindi, kasi diba, pag sinasabi ng mga parents sa mga bata, of course, they're gonna do it either way. Alam mo yung talagang, I didn't rebel, of course, pero alam mo yung, hindi ko siya ginagawa. You know that? So, di ba? So, I found that that's one of my number one favorite things sa personality ko. Yung, if I really want it, then I'll do it. And I found that out galing niya, sa English class na, oh, I enjoy writing. Like, I remember we had to write a short story for class, and I was like, oh, I'm cooking. Like, this is good.
Pero galing yan sa pagpa-plant ko ng
Oh, yeah, that's what I mean. I'm not taking away your credit, ma. I just gave it to you.
Carry on.
I'm just saying na, alam mo yung, I've been finding out things for myself lately a lot. Yung photography nga, bumalik din eh. Diba yung binigay mo yung camera ko? Sabi ko, oh, damn.
Pinahiram lang.
Sorry, pinahiram mo. Pinapahiram mo yung camera mo sa akin. I'm like, oh, okay. Nabalik yung... Kasi I used to see you take pictures kahit sa phone mo lang. Ginawa mo nga yung book, diba, out of your phone.
Photographer yan eh.
Yeah.
Ito rin. Si Tito Mel mo din. Ay, si Lolo Mel mo pala.
So yun, nakita ko yung, oh, that's so cool. So alala ko yung I tried to copy when I was younger. And hindi ko lang pinakita kasi, well, busy ka din nun. So hindi ko magbigay sa'yo yung, namahal ko my photos. Pero naalala ko when you told me na, oh, you have a good eye for photography. Sabi ko, that's because of you, ma. So, I remember, that's why dinala ko yung camera doon sa retreat ko. Kasi, di ba, ang ganda ng, mga environment and everything. And you said na my photos are good. Sabi ko, bumalik din yung ko.
Passion mo for it.
Yeah, so sabi ko,
ang dami, no?
sorry, pero sinabi ko talaga, damn! I enjoy,
Double damn!
I enjoy a lot of these things na,
Lapel mo pala, angat.
anyway.
Si Master Bite sumisenya sa akin na,
Sabi ni Sensei.
yan.
Yan.
Anyway, yeah, so bumalik yung, alam mo yung, yeah, tama ka, ma'am. Sobrang useful na napagawa lang ng PC ko. Kaya nga, third up.
Pero Elijah, pag yung going back sa topic natin na pagiging actor.
Oh, yeah, nga pala.
So that's pagka andyan ka na. This is different, ha?
Yeah.
I'm telling you. It's not na something na ganito lang siya. Kasi ginusto ko. No. This is hard. And you really have to give it your 110%. Lalo na kapag umaarte ka na, iba na because you're not yourself anymore.
Yeah.
Okay? So, ang ano dito, talagang kung ano yung role na ibibigay sa'yo, you have to talagang give it your best kasi you have to put life into that character or that role that will be given to you. And it's not gonna be easy kasi you have to immerse yourself, ang daming assignments being an actor, ang daming kailangan mong gawin, research, immersion, and everything. So, iwa-workshop naman kita eh.
Yes, may free workshop ka!
Oo.
Yes, tsaka kung gusto yung
naman
mag-workshop,
kita.
mamaya mo na i-promote.
Mamaya na natin ipopromote.
Pero Tita Mel, alam mo,
Tito Mel?
ay, Lola Mel, sanay na ako.
Pero
sige, Tito Mel,
it's okay lang. It's okay.
Forever young naman si Tito Mel. Hindi ko matanda yan eh.
Anyway,
Tito Mel.
yeah, Tito, alam mo, hindi ko alam kung sinabi to sa'yo ni Mom, pero alam mo ba, Mom, when I was small boy pa, yung talagang, you just catch me at a random time, parang nasa own world ko din ako. Yung, I don't even notice na you're there. So,
Yeah.
alam mo yung immersion na
Sarili siyang
yun,
mundo.
what you mean, yeah. I get it. Kasi until now, I still do that. Admit ko na, teenager ako, nandun pa na ako sa room ko, shing, 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 nasa sword ko.
Kaka-explain ko lang din sa kanila
Yeah, so
kanina.
I still immerse myself in, my own world. So, and then I remember that we did a project for school. And then I remember na I went over the time limit and it was a skit. So, and I immersed myself.
Oh,
then,
that's good.
So sabi ko, that's why then na for sure na gusto ko maging actor. Kasi alam mo yung, I know I can do it. I just, yun nga, this talk, I'm also trying to prepare na for the hard parts. Kasi I've seen the toll it takes on my mom and Papa Joem. And then, alam mo yung...
mirror mo na sila eh.
Yeah, exactly. And then I know. Of course, I'm a big fan of movies. Yeah. So, I watched the behind the scenes din, yung mga interviews ng cast, na nakita ko yung...
Sarap, no?
Sarap nila panoodin. Like, fudge, ang ganda talaga.
Nakaingit eh.
Pero like, alam mo yung sabi ko, yeah, I want that.
Yeah.
So, yung immersion na yun, yung mga I also find myself doing that with other things, like, especially basketball. Si mom nga din. Mom knows all of this, of course. Pero,
the law of attraction.
okay, ma.
Hindi, diba?
Well, yeah, totoo
Kasi
din.
if you attract kung meron kang gusto mo maging magaling sa basketball, the law of attraction. Gusto mo maging magaling sa pag-aartista. Siyempre, you immerse yourself with the whole acting thing.
And yun, I'm able to do it a lot now. Kasi, yun nga, since I still have a lot of free time, of course, I'm alone in my room. So, alam mo yung, I got to immerse myself there. And even around my friends, sometimes I'm in my own world. Tapos wala na ako dun. So, yo, you there?
Pero alam mo, maiba tayo Like for example, di ba kasi you still have 2 years. You have 2 years before you go into show business and then you have 2 years to prepare for it, di ba? So maganda yan, meron kang writing. Kasi malay mo maging playwright ka, film writer ka. Meron gusto mo ng photography. Pwede kang maging director of photography o maging director because you can write, you can direct, di ba? Tapos yung game, ano ba yung sabi mo?
Streaming.
streaming. Tapos, gusto mo ng culinary, pwede kang mag-catering. Tapos, kung gamer ka, magpasugal
Why
ka.
not? Oo, kung gamer ka.
Pasugal ka kasi. No, but I mean, you are developing these things for the next 2 years and you can have that idea na you can still be in the business but even with the different.
And have,
Kasi it's like it's under the same umbrella.
Side
like,
quest.
Photography, ganito, di ba? Nasa umbrella yan ng pagiging sa film.
Sa multimedia arts.
And I think na I got the eye from photographer.
You got it from your mama.
Yeah, I got it from my mom. But I also got it from I was watching other sources of media, like movies. Tapos nakikita ko yung mga, like I said, I watched behind the scenes. And nakikita ko yung mga works na, say, Steven Spielberg, diba? Or yung mga, or even like, minsan nga kinakopya ko yung mga movements ng cameraman pag nag-video ako on the camera. Kasi diba, nanonood din ako mga documentary and stuff ng mga, like, smaller documentary. So nakikita ko, that's how they move, that's how they see that frame, ganito laban sa frame, what's in the foreground, background, whatever.
Good.
Okay. So
going back, yung project ko sa school na I haven't started yet. Anyway.
you have to start it.
Sabihin mo
As a
kaya.
mom.
Anyway, yung project ko is a short film.
Wow.
And diba nga, like I said,
Wow.
anyway, like I said earlier kasi, diba, I got injured. So, I wanna and since my project is about improvement naman, since I went through a lot of that last quarter, I wanna keep on going kasi. So, what I made my project about is improvement and how I personally went through it with my injury. So, that's why I wanna film it to make it look like alam mo yung mga inspiring, but at the same time, yung talagang what it feels like. Kasi, a lot of media portray the injury in mga films or like yung mga true stories grabe, it's depressing. Pero, how about if it is from someone younger like me? Kasi mostly it's adults or people who are already professional eh. Kasi diba, iba na yung generation ngayon. Anyway, yun nga, so that's why...
Galingan mo dun sa short film, ha?
Okay, we already have a clip and sabi daw niya, I can see why you wanna be an actor. Yung cameraman ko.
Kailangan.
And
yun.
isipin mo,
That's a sign.
and it's only just be doing squats. Tapos, what?
Umaarte ka habang nagsisquats? May habang nagsisquats? Oo, parang na-imagine ko yung niya.
No, like,
may hugot habang nagsisquats.
Hindi, kasi, diba pag may squats kasi parang, intense. Pero yung sa akin, I had to put emotion into it. Yung parang like, yung, I have to get better. Yung parang ganun. So, alam mo yung seryoso yung mukha ko.
All in the eyes.
Yeah,
Chico.
it's really all in the eyes.
True.
Anyway, so
yes, good luck, Elijah Palanca.
yeah, but yun nga, since it is my first time doing it on my own, like talagang first time ko, oh my God, this is really like a project. I need some help. So I have some questions.
Yes.
Okay, go for it.
Okay, pero these are also for like the future na din. So, let me pull up my notes. Anyway. Okay, so this is I think you answered this kanina, but so when you started, Tito Mel, what was the hardest thing you had to face? Like the hardest, like when that really got you down.
I think I answered it na a while ago. Hindi ko siya I took it as a challenge. Yung while working and at the same time studying. Yun yung doon ako talaga na challenge. Kasi syempre, parehas kong gusto makapagtapos and at the same time, gustong-gusto kong umarte eh. 'Di ba? Pero syempre, dahil nga gusto mo, pag gusto parati may paraan. Right?
Pag ayaw, may dahilan.
Yes.
Okay.
Parati kong gusto. Kaya parati ako may paraan. Diba? Tsaka naalala ko si Mami nung sa school. Si Mami, syempre, minsan absent ako 3 days. So si Mami, gawin niya, susuhulan niya yung mga teachers.
Si Mami talaga, darling of the press.
Kaya parati meron akong special assignment. May mga special projects ako. Para at least, alam mo yun, alam mo na, di ba? Para maipasa ko lang, lalo
The
na nung
best, mami.
lalo na yung nag-high school ako, naku.
Oh, Mondays.
So, yun. Kasi, pero, gusto ko I like what I'm doing. So, I hope that answers your question.
I really did.
Next question.
Kang interview.
Oo. Siyempre, guest natin siya Hindi na ako sumagot Kasi 10 questions sa mama Si Tito Mel na lang.
Ay, sorry ma.
Okay lang. Tito Mel na lang kasi matatagalan tayo.
Oh yeah. Anyway. Okay, so when you start...
Pwede mo naman tanongin sa bahay.
So, totoo. Anyway. So when you started, did it feel hard to fit in when you were like talagang with a new cast and for a movie or a show? Or like was there a problem for you like socially or wala naman? Like was it like
every project sa simula yan lahat naman kayo nangangapa. Okay, lahat kayo nangangapa. You know. Syempre andiyan yung you really have to be close to your co-actors. Why? Kasi kailangan kapag umarte kayo, kailangan may chemistry, may rapport. Okay? Kahit hindi mo siya gusto, kailangan mo siyang gustuhin. All in the name of work.
Yeah.
Okay?
So may adjustment.
May mga adjustment. Pero, ang pinaka bottom line pa rin dito, baby, is kapag umaarte ka na, pagalingan kayo dito. Okay? Pagalingan kayo dito.
So parang siyang, like, it's like a competition na din.
It's always a competition.
Okay, well, yeah, that's true.
It's always a competition. Why? Kasi at the end of the day, kailangan in every scene, sino yung tumatak sa bawat eksena. Yun ang mariremember ng mga tao.
May kwento ako dyan. Kakat ko muna kayo.
Sige.
Kasi hindi ko to pwede
Pero meron akong
Si tita. Si tita. Napaka niyan, matulungin yan sa co-actors niya. Ay, ganito. Siyempre ako bata ako nag-start, diba? So, tutulungan niya ako. Meryl, ganito. Pero pag sinabi ng 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, pag sa 5 pa lang, kanya-kanya na tayo. Kailangan mas magaling ka, pinakamagaling ka. Wala na to yung dahil pamangkin kita, pagbibigyan kita. Hindi. Ano na to?
Tama.
Ito talaga, which is, yun na nga.
Yes.
Yun yung best teacher mo na pwede kayong maging family and all that. But pag nagsabi ng 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, when you're in your character, huwag mo nang iisipin yung mo dahil you have to give it your best.
Yes.
Actually, I applied that. Sorry, I mean, yeah, this is my thing, but I applied that in basketball na din. I think I got that from watching the documentary na Bulls. Yung,
Okay, Michael
I took that
Jordan?
personally.
Hindi.
Yeah, Michael Jordan. Yung I took that personally. Kasi they have to. Kasi
It's your name on the line.
It's a free-for-all, yeah.
Yun lang. Gusto ko isingit dahil sinabi mo
Oo, tama. Yun na ano mo na.
Each their own, yeah.
Natumbok mo. Ganun.
So it wasn't really, but it wasn't really hard naman to fit in at first. I mean, it wasn't really hard naman.
No, kasi,
For you.
oo, hindi ako na basta kasi alam ko lang na kailangan kong, it's still work. Kahit na kung ano man, kung saan ka mapuntang teleserye o pelikula, it's still work. Pero, pag narinig na nga yung 5-4,
It's all you.
oo, so kailangan galingan mo na.
Oh, yeah.
Diba?
I have a good sense of that naman.
Yun yung ko lang, yun yung pwede ko ma-impart sa'yo na, kasi eto lang ma-share ko lang.
Sige, share
Alam mo
Tito Mel.
kasi
Share mo lang.
nung growing up, blessed ako nakatrabaho ko si Nida Blanca, si Susan Roses, si Charito Solis, si Belia
Si Mama.
Flores.
Hindi, kasi blessed din ako dahil naabutan ko yan So,
Oo, Belia Flores. Tapos nakatrabaho ko si Peke Gallaga, si Director si Luciano B. Carlos, si
Yan,
Tatay
yun na.
Chaning.
Yes.
Yan ang the best comedy director of all time. Siya. Tapos, lahat sila nasa heaven na nga eh. So, I'm blessed to have worked with them. Tapos, alam mo anong common denominator kapag magka-eksena kami? Dahil, syempre, child star pa ako noon. Lahat sila sinasabi sa akin, anak, dapat galing sa puso Always narinig ko yun. Lalo na kay Tita Nida Blanca. Anak, dapat galing sa puso. And then, I also heard that from Ate Maria. na yung nag-advise siya sa akin, kailangan galing sa puso. Kasi if it comes from the heart, you can never go wrong. Why? Kasi pag galing sa puso, natural at hindi ka magkakamali.
Yeah.
So, nag-connect, sinabi ni Charito, so alis ni Nida Blanca, yun yung kinalakihan ko. So, every time that I act, hindi po pwedeng hindi ako nanginginig, hindi po pwede akong hindi kinakabahan. Kasi nawawala yung para sa akin, parang hindi na ako umaarte nun eh. Para sa akin, parang lang to, parang trip. Pero
So,
pag umarte ako at narinig ko na yung 5-4, kinakabahan ako kasi yun yung passion. Ito ko eh.
Yeah.
Ito yung gusto ko. So, So, pagdating nga yung did I have hard time, ganun, hindi mo na sa akin, trabaho tayo dito.
Just keep it.
Yun.
Okay.
Yun yung hindi sa akin masyado kung magustuhan mo ako, fine. Kung hindi, basta, lalamunin kita. Ganon lang naman.
Yeah, yes naman.
Kasi, baby, lalo na ngayon, ibang ngayon, ang competition ngayon, saturated na because of social media. Ang dami gusto maging artista. Ay, iba-ibang ngayon. Pagalingan
all
ngayon.
Now.
Diba? Gwapo ka nga, oo, pero kailangan magaling ka. Diba? At the same time, ando dun yung values mo. You have respect.
Yeah.
Fame, yung fame doesn't come to your head. Kasi pag ganun, nagkakaroon ng attitude. Katin mo, ang dami mga artista na they're here today, they're gone tomorrow. Why? Because fame gets into their head.
That's a bar.
Diba? And it's the reality. Yeah. And it's the truth. Diba? So, yun yung ko. Dami kong sinagot dun, no?
That's why I kept 5 questions. Anyway, ano yung sasabihin mo, Mom?
Hindi. Yung sa socially, kung nahirapan ba mga yan. You just have to be true to yourself. You have to be real. Kasi yung personality mo, mag-show yun pag nasa set ka na. Siyempre sa umpisa, kagaya sinabi ni Tito Mel, kapaan and all that. Pero I would also advise not to please people. Baka mamaya, kung dahil gusto mo lang sila kailangan mo din mag-self-preserve.
Correct.
Kailangan mo laging merong boundaries. Kahit na close kayong lahat sa ganito, may boundaries ka pa rin. Pag kailangan mo mag-rest ka. Hindi yung laging palumpalukan sa socially, di ba?
You know me naman.
Yeah, but yun yung ko sinasabi ko na you will not have a hard time socially kasi you have a personality. That's fine. But sa set, you also have to self-preserve.
Yeah.
Okay.
Kasi syempre, you're there to work.
Yes. Hindi naman barkadahan.
Oo.
Yeah. Hindi
naman tayo.
Yo, follow me on my social media friends na tayo. For life.
Diba?
Yeah, gets naman.
Okay, go.
Okay.
Ay, kamote! Okay, medyo sobra tayo this episode because it's such a... No, it's okay.
6 minutes.
6 minutes. Sobrang nga sa episode. Okay, go. Go.
Okay, well, so when you so back to the first comment, kasi I know I'm really trying to be cautious for the first. Anyway, so when you first got into acting, was there pressure yung na-realize mo na mga ibang factor, like the social media aspect or yung mga how you're gonna handle the paparazzi or yung mga public guys, was there pressure on your part at first or wala pa naman?
Yun yung gusto ko ring sabihin sa'yo. If you enter the industry, you have to be really strong. Okay? You have to be strong because good critic or bad critic, it's still a critic.
That's true.
Okay? So, ikaw, alam mo naman kung ano yung totoo eh. So, kailangan, deadma ka. Dapat hindi ka mapapa-apekto.
I don't care, yung ganun.
True.
Diba? Kasi syempre may mga iba, masyado silang affected.
Yeah,
diba?
that's true.
Diba? So, kailangan, wag kang magpapa-apekto. Lalo na ngayon, diba? Ang daming, katulad ko, kanyari sa YouTube, ang dami ko mga bad comments, deadma. Kasi alam mo naman kung ano yung totoo. Right?
So, yung mga nagbabad comments na hindi sila ang market mo, hindi sila ang audience mo. Marami lang silang panahon para magsabi ng bad comments. Kasi in this world, ano na ngayon, keyboard confidence, hindi mo naman sila nakikita eh.
Oh, yeah.
Hindi naman sila press.
Kasi they say it to your face, wala naman sila masasabi. That's
true. And at the same time, wag mo silang i-allow sa space mo.
Oh, yeah. Don't acknowledge din. Tama. Naturuan naman yun ni Mom sa akin dati. That's why, alala ko yung in-off mo yung comments mo.
Yeah.
Yeah. Kasi, No, I also learned na, yun kasi,
Maganda nga yun para tapos.
Oo, tapos na, wala na. Of course, di ba nga, nag-start na din ako mag-post mga, mayroon nakakita. Dad mo din ako.
At saka alam mo, maganda dyan, i-block mo sila.
Oh,
You don't allow them
Hindi nila makikita.
Sa TikTok, dami ko mga ano dyan, negative ko kung ano-anong comments. Favorite ko yun eh, nambablock. Kasi the power is with you. Diba? Yung, comment mo. Dami mo sinasabi dyan, tita, ha?
Black.
Sino ka? 2 followers, 0 followers, 0 post.
Black.
Wala naman
Para tapos na.
At the same time, bakit ka nandito kung may sasabihin ka masama? Doon ka sa iba.
Yes, exactly. Diba?
Favorite ko yan, Ma'am-Black.
Sige, since...
Favorite ko talaga siya. It's my pastime. Pag may pangit ka sasabihin sa akin, bye, Felicia.
Okay. Last question na since out of time.
No, it's okay.
No, but I also want to ask one question since na-answer na din tong isa ko. Throughout all of it, hanggang ngayon, especially now, what keeps you going? Like, what's in your mind that, like, especially when you're tired or not, what keeps you going other than na gusto mo? Kasi, diba, of course, yes, yun yung sinasabi mo na.
Yung passion,
yes.
right?
But, other than that, what motivates you to keep going?
Okay.
Is there another thing ba?
Kasi, para sa akin, every time I act, you know, it's a rewarding feeling. Every time I get to accomplish something, I get to finish a short film, I get to finish a teleserye, it's such a rewarding feeling for me. And at the same time, ngayon, wala na si Mami, kasi ang biggest fan ko is Mami. Alam mo, I always make it a point whenever I act, ay inaali ko yun kay Mami. You know, that's what, it keeps me going because I know, gustong-gusto ni Mami kasi akong pinapanood. Nung bata ako, hindi siya sumasama sa shooting ko. Ayaw niya akong pinapanood. Ayaw niya maging stage mother eh. Okay. Hindi, sa TV niya ako pinapanood. Kasi dun niya ako nakikriticize. Okay, medyo nagkulang ka dito. Eto, magaling ka dito. Ganun si Mami nun eh. Hindi siya yung sumasama sa akin and everything. So, ngayon, what keeps me going, it's because namimiss ko yun. And I know that in heaven, she's always watching me. So, ako, as long as merong project na naibibigay sa akin, why not? Because it's still a blessing. Diba? Sino pa ba ako para tumanggi sa blessing? Diba? Whether it be big or small, basta kung blessing yan, bakit naman hindi? Diba? Gift yan eh. Diba? So, para tanggihan mo, diba? So, diretso lang sa akin. As long as I'm needed, diba? Bakit naman hindi? Yun. Ikaw.
Okay.
Ako?
Yeah.
What keeps me going? Aside from passion?
Aside from passion.
Oh my God. I just love it so much eh.
Tsaka rewarding feeling, di ba? Yung achievement.
Oo, tsaka dami ko pang kasing gustong gawin.
Okay.
Parang my dreams and goals doesn't, you know, it's, palagi nga sinasabi sa akin nung bata pa ako, mag-direct ka na, mag-ano ka na. I love acting. I love it so much. It brings me to a different place. And kailangan ko siya sa pagiging bipolar ko. Nakakakawala ako sa sarili ko. You know, my mental health also is being helped by my craft. And I think in every craft naman, nakakatulong talaga siya sa mental health mo.
True.
And of course, nakakasira din sa mental health mo. So, if you find the balance, ako, I think, oh my God, kasi ang dami ko pang gustong gawin. And I think it's the what keeps me going is...
Yung challenge din kasi I guess.
Oh, Tito Mel eh.
You know, yung challenge na kapag...
Ay, sorry.
yung challenge din kasi na kapag ka, yung may magandang role.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my God. Na ka, I mean,
na-excite ka.
Na-excite ka. Kasi syempre kung umaano na yung paano mo yung atake mo, paano yung ganito. So, yun.
Alam ko na what keeps me going. The stories that I have yet to tell. Because, kasi tayo dito, Mel, we're very different eh. Yung kakasabi mo pa nga lang na every project, you accept. Ako kasi hindi. So, hindi naman ako nagtuturn out the turn down sa blessing. It's just that iba lang talaga yung nakikita ko for myself.
Siyempre, may iba-iba naman kasi
Oo,
tayong...
hindi pare-parehas.
Diba?
And hindi ko sinasabi na hindi ko siya tatanggapin kasi tina-turn down ko yung blessing side. But I think kasi for me, acting is not just work.
Yes.
And acting is my voice. Hindi man ako malakas na aktivista, sa pelikula, nagagawa ko yon, nasasabi ko yung mga gusto kong, boses ko.
Yeah.
Kaya I still have, hindi natatapos yung pinaniniwalaan mo eh. You will always have something na you feel strongly about. And ang dami ko pa nun, na hindi ko kayang speak out loud sa social media or sa kung saan man. But I know na ang medium ko ay film or acting. So that's why I love it. Yes, I will venture out into writing and directing, pero I love acting. And that what keeps me going is yung ang dami ko pang gustong kwentong arte.
Alam mo na, tutuwa ako dun sa ano mo. Habang nakikinig ka sa akin, nakikinig ka sa mama mo, sabi ng mata niya, ganun
paano
na
sa
ganun.
mata mo?
Oo, ganun. So talagang, na ano niya, kasi na ano niya, na kumaga parang, nagagrasp niya with his soul. Alam mo, nakikita naman sa mata niya eh.
Yeah.
Nakikita sa mata niya eh. May question ka pa ba?
Yun na eh.
Wala na.
Okay.
Yung mama
Pero sana, nasagot namin ng...
for sure. Nasagot na. More than I, anticipated. Pero yeah, for sure.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Tito Mel.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
For, taking time to share your story and give tips and advice kay Eli. And I love hearing your stories about mommy. So thank you for that. And of course, Tito Mel, if you want to invite them, kasi diba nag-acting workshop ka din.
Yeah. I do private workshops. Okay? So follow me on my Instagram, Melaton13 or Mel Martinez. Yan. Tapos soon, kasi I will be teaching sa mga schools ng workshop. Pero hindi siya hindi siya kumaga parang, it's a special activity for the school. Tuwing lang siya, Saturdays and Sundays.
Okay.
Ganyan. So, sa Instagram ko or my Facebook, Mel Martinez, doon malalaman nyo. Pero sa Instagram nyo ako pwedeng i-message kung gusto nyo mag-private workshop.
Okay.
Okay. And then, secondly, please follow my YouTube channel. Life with Melaton or the Mel Martinez channel. Kasi meron akong I'm doing an adventure trips now.
Yeah.
May mga adventure trips akong ginagawa kasi alam mo naman ako, I am an adventurer. Gusto ko yung I get this feeling of meron akong freedom and achievement when I travel alone and I so love that.
Mana ako sa kanya.
So meron akong mga napuntahan lately. So pagka na-visit niyo yung vlog, it would give you an idea to where to go this summertime. Diba? With family or with friends or gusto mo mag-isa ka. Yun, magkakaroon kayo ng idea. Pero ang special recommendation ko is yung Cavinti Cave. I went to Laguna. It's in Cavinti, Laguna. Tapos may cave na napakaganda. Napakaganda nung cave. Sobra. Marami na akong napuntahan ng cave pero eto sobrang ganda. At nasa Laguna lang pala. Tapos it's an underground river and cave. So, ang ganda. So, papasok ka dun sa ilalim kaya hanggang dito yung tubig ko. Yung mga ganong eksena, ang ganda. Bet na bet ko yung mga ganong adventure. So, pagkatapos nun, it's such a rewarding feeling kapag ka nakakapag-adventure trip ka ng ganon. So, yun, follow me there also. Saka, syempre, sa TikTok.
Doon yung makikita ang kanyang dancing moves.
Ayun lang.
Ay, napakaganda ng katawan. Talagang alagang-alaga ang sarili. Forever young. Follow him on TikTok.
I try. Kasi syempre, alam mo na.
Ikaw talagang forever young.
Umaano na tayo tumatandar na rin tayo. Pero syempre, we want to grow old gracefully.
Yes.
Diba? And yun din yung gusto kong i-impart sa mga kaidaran ko na we have to grow old gracefully. We take care of ourselves. Diba? Yun lang. We have adventure. Diba? So, yun. Siguro, pwede ba ako magbigay ng advice
Oh.
sa'yo?
Yeah.
Ay, oo naman.
Yeah.
Siguro sa career, be professional. Just be professional. Okay? Tapos, kapag sinimulan mo na magaling ka, kailangan consistent ka.
Huwag ka magre-relax.
Yeah.
Dapat consistent ka. You never go down. Kapag ka magaling ka, consistent ka, tapos pag ginilingan mo pa, hindi ka pwedeng bababa. Basta kung ginilingan mo, kailangan dire-diretsong magaling ka. All throughout. Okay?
The pressure is real.
Kasi ganun talaga, baby. Doon yun sa career, ha? As pagiging actor naman, siguro, I leave this line to you again para at least para gawin mo motto siguro. If it comes from the heart, you can never go wrong. Always remember that. So, every time na meron kang kung anong character na maibibigay sa'yo, lagyan mo ng puso mo. Hindi ka magkakamali. Kasi 100% na yung binibigay mo. Kasi puso at kaluluwa mo na yung binibigay mo dun sa role na binigay sa'yo. So, yun yung advice ko sa'yo. Okay?
Yes! Again, thank you, Tito Mel, for your time. Palakpakan natin si Tito Mel Martinez.
Salamat mga curiosities.
Please, no. Oh my days. Oh my days.
Nakakaloka.
Thank you for having me.
Yes, so Elijah, invite them to subscribe.
Alright, everybody, if you enjoyed this episode of the Curious 2 podcast, please hit that subscribe button if you want to see more. Once again, if you liked it, please hit the thumbs up. And if you want to show this to your family or friends, share this to everybody that you know and spread the love.
Yes, and if you guys have questions, suggestions on episodes, or
Leave in the
things
comments.
you want us to, to discuss as parents and as a teenager, just leave a comment. Ano? It's just leave it.
Just leave it in the comment section down below.
Hindi talaga ako pwede.
Go, Mo!
We're also on Instagram and TikTok, The Curious 2 Official. And of course, again, thank you to Spoiled Brats and Kahon Music for, our home ng podcast namin.
I feel so spoiled. Ngayon, sobra.
I know you're a brat.
Yeah. Diba? And like, I'm in a kahon right now.
Right, I know.
I know.
Oh my God, it's complete.
Grabe. Let's do this.
For the music
Brats.
Follow them on Facebook and Instagram, Spoiled Brats Cafe, and of course, Kahon Music. That's with a J.
Oh, tsaka dito, ang sarap mag-recording, oh. There comes a time.
Alam niyo yan.
Alam nyo na.
Oo.
Diba? Oh.
Thank you. Thank you
you,
so
everyone.
much. Woohoo! Bye!
Bye.
Bye!
Follow us
God
sa
bless.
Spotify pala. Nakalimutan natin ilagay.
Okay.
Tatype ko ngayon mamaya.